Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to log in on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, here you can see this is my REDnote app on my Android phone. Now to log in on this app, first of all tap on this REDnote app. After that you can find here is one important notice for us. Just tap on this agree and now you can see here is login with mobile number. Also, we can log in using our Facebook as well as Google. Now I'll log in with my Google account. For that, I'll tap on this Google and after that, I'll tap on this agree and continue. After this, over here you can choose your email address from which you want to log in. For now, I'll choose one of mine and after this you can just tap on this continue. Now you can see I am successfully logged in. Over here we can choose our profile. I'll select my age over here as 20 years. I'll choose my gender and then tap on next. Over here we can select our interest. I'll choose as fitness, painting, travel and art. And after this I'll tap on start exploring. And that's it. You can see I am successfully logged in on this REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.